Today we have another craft video for you guys.
Woo!
Woo! And today, as you can tell, it's just the two of us. Mr. Josh is not here.
And we're
so
matching, so
we are matching.
good to go.
Woo! So you guys are stuck with us for this video, and we are going to do a fantastic craft. It is called
The Bubblinator 3000.
That's right, the
Yeah!
Bubblinator 3000. Okay.
Or
so
the Bubble Blower, or Snake Bubbles, or Bubbleopolis, or whatever name you can think
we're
of.
working on the title.
We're working on the name.
Anyway, for this craft, you're going to need a bottle of water, and we're going to come give you guys the supplies.
Bottle of water,
Sock,
one sock,
dish soap,
and one rubber band,
and you're going to need some scissors or something to cut the bottle with as well.
and also a bowl, probably.
Probably, yes.
Yeah, probably. Okay, so Mr. Noah, what's our first step?
So I've emptied some of the water out.
Into-
Gonna need to pour the rest of the water. So you want your bottle to be completely empty. So
Okay.
we've got it in this nice, lovely jar right here.
Very nice.
And we're just gonna pour it in.
Woo! Step one! Good job!
And now it's empty. Okay.
And now you need to cut the bottom of the bottle off.
Okay.
You have to do it kind of at this wavy line. Right there.
Right.
Right there.
Right.
Right there.
There. So. Oh, that was bad. Oh
Too soon.
no.
Now you have a nice little glass. You could grow a flower in here or candy in
Anyway, so we've got my thing cut,
here. Yep.
and now
Step two.
What's the next step?
You have to put the sock on the water bottle, which
So
is a challenge. If your water bottle crunches, that's normal. Just try and uncrunch it if you can.
I can't.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Started.
So now we've got it
And
on.
Feed it all the way to the bottom. There you go. Yep. This might take
Alright.
some helping hands. It's all good. Teamwork makes the dream work. It
Okay.
looks kind of funny.
So once you've got your sock on your bottle,
Yep.
all the way
close.
down.
Getting close.
Oh gosh.
There you go.
Okay, there. We've got it on right now.
Uncrunch it.
Now I'm just kind of make
There.
it look like that. So it's almost a circle.
Now you can fold the sock kind of down because you want to expose the top of the water bottle.
Yes, that's right. So you're gonna fold.
Uncover it. There you go. Beautiful. That's perfect.
Just like that.
Just like that. Beautiful.
So that you've got this part showing.
One final
Uh-oh.
touch. Uh-oh.
It's crunching.
Uncrunch.
I'm crunching bad. Just make sure your sock is like tight across the top of it.
And to keep it all secure. This is really just kind of added decoration. I'm not sure if it actually does anything, but I think it helps. Ready to test this bad boy out? My voice just cracked.
Ready to test this?
Ready to test this bad boy out.
You bet.
Here is my expert one that I've created.
Here's mine.
There's Mr. Noah.
Mine's a little lumpy. All right,
So now
so
you're gonna need your bowl.
So we've got some water in there.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna put some dish soap in the bowl.
We're gonna take our very scientific stirrer. It's an old pencil. Stir.
Oh my gosh.
Stir it gently.
You're gonna stir.
Stir it gently.
You're gonna stir the water and the soap
You
together
want
to
it
get
to lick.
lots of bubbles. And then after that, you're gonna take this and dip it
Demonstrate it for us.
in the side of the bowl like this. And then when you pull it out, it's got bubbles all over it.
Yep. And then use your handy dandy bubble box
I'm
because you
nervous.
don't want to get bubbles everywhere. All right.
I'm nervous.
See how it does.
And then, so you've got the bubbles on the end, and then you're gonna just blow into it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Keep
Oh my
going. Keep
God.
going. Oh my gosh, it's gonna go everywhere. Okay, I want to try. Dip it. Dip. Let it kind of. Oh my gosh, you ready? We're probably out of frame.
There's so many bubbles.
Oh my gosh. Look at
Oh
it.
my
Look at it bounce.
There's so many bubbles.
It's like a cloud. You're running out of juice. You gotta get more juice.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's so many.
All right, raise your hand at home if you want to give Mr. Noah a bubble beard. They all raised their hands. Ready? Oh my gosh. Oh
There's
my gosh.
so many.
Here we go.
All
You
right.
have to sit down. You have to sit
Okay.
down.
Yes.
Why does it stay on your face?
Yes, I always wanted to grow a bubble beard.
Ho, ho, ho.
It's about time.
You just kind of have to hold it. Thinking beard thoughts.
All
If
right.
I had a beard, this is what I would want to look like.
Well, we hope you guys enjoy this craft. It actually works
It's
really
so
well.
fun. Probably do it outside because it makes a lot of bubbles.
Yes, I would definitely do this outside. It's really fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope it works well for you. And we will see you guys next time. You get all this bubble
Bye.
off my face.
Have fun bubbling.
Bye.